30% of Nigerians are likely to lose support from USAID funded programs. It is reported that about 30% of Nigerians directly benefit from USAID supported programs. The category of people that are mostly likely to be affected are women and children. These are the most vulnerable in the society. And well, if this intended review by the Trump administration doesn't go well, that may be goodbye forever to USAID. Hello guys, what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to view my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit on that subscribe button right now. Like, share, and leave your comments in the comment section. So let's get right into the gist of today. It's no longer news that when President Donald Trump, Uncle Dona as I love to call him, assumed office, he signed over 100 executive orders, and one of that executive orders was the freezing of foreign aid for a period of 90 days, pending when there's a review to see if it fits into the Trump's administration. And one of these foreign aids that has been affected is the USAID funded program. Now, USAID goes way back to the John F. Kennedy administration, and it was established in the year 1961. Basically, what USAID does is to send millions of dollars to countries around the world to reduce poverty, to help in war intervention, to support the healthcare system, and so on and so forth. USAID is present in so many countries that have been affected by war, countries that have been affected by hunger, countries that have been affected by pandemic. Nigeria is one of those countries that has been benefiting from USAID. As of the time of making this video, the USAID websites in various countries, Nigeria inclusive, has been disabled. You can no longer go on this platform to get information. Since President Donald Trump made that announcement, there's been a lot of buzz on the effect it's going to have on countries of the world where USAID has been supporting, where USAID programs has been very much beneficial to this country, and Nigeria has also been affected by that buzz. Now, some of the concerns, some of the impact it's going to have in Nigeria is the fact that a lot of people are going to lose their job. Like it or not, there are so many Nigerians who are employees of USAID. I was on X the other day and I came across a tweet of somebody lamenting of this shutdown for this period of 90 days pending the review. This person was complaining that for now he doesn't have a job. He works as a data analyst for USAID. Also, they have been placed on administrative leave. I do not know if this administrative leave is going to come with payments or it's just going to be like no show for this next 90 days. Another impact that we should also consider if USAID finally leave Nigeria for good is the fact that our critical sectors like the healthcare sector will be affected. Now, it's no longer news that USAID support our healthcare sector, particularly in the hygiene aspect. Now, if you ever come across this program, WASH, water, sanitation, and hygiene, that was one program that was heavily funded by USAID. Just last year, 2024, it was reported that part of the funding that came from USAID, about $2.3 million, went into the procurement of malaria medication just to combat malaria in Nigeria. So that's a huge amount of money, and that's a huge amount of support to the Nigeria healthcare sector. Another aspect you have to consider in all of these impacts is the aspect of maternal and child health care. Their support is heavily felt in this regard. Talk about immunization. USAID has been in the forefront of immunization, various immunization that goes on in this country. Well, a lot is going to be affected if USAID decides to finally pull out of Nigeria. But I also know that there's a lot of criticism, there's a lot of backlash concerning this executive order that has been signed by Donald Trump. It's not only Nigeria that is affected. Other countries of the world are also affected. There have been a lot of there's been a lot of clapback at Donald Trump, considering the work USAID has been doing all over the world. Some people are against this executive order signed by Donald Trump to freeze off foreign aid. Well, luckily, it's just for a period of, I don't know if I should call that long. It's going to be for a period of 90 days. Now, there's been a lot of call for the Nigerian government to wake up and pick up from where the USAID has left off. How is the Nigerian government going to fill up the blank spaces that USAID has left? Are they willing to invest into the Nigerian healthcare sector? Are they ready to put more money there? Are they ready to set up structures, make our hospitals better, make our primary healthcare centers better? Now, talking about the Nigerian government waking up, well, you must have come across this news of the health minister saying that a lot of people now come from US, UK to Nigeria to get treatment in Nigerian hospital. You guys, if you have come across that news, please share with me your thoughts in the comment section on what you think about that. You think it is true? There's been a lot of reactions concerning USAID leaving Nigeria and as well other countries of the world. Now, some are against it and some are for it. The ones that are for it are so happy. The reason is that most of the funding that many NGOs get from USAID are not used for what they are intended for. They are used for their own personal gains. They are used to buy houses, ride the best cars, and take their children to, well, the best schools. One of the people that have been so excited about this USAID leaving Nigeria is a Nigerian investigative journalist, David Hundeyin. He has been all over Twitter calling for the US government to investigate some NGOs. And also talking about the government taking the former president of Kenya have come out to say, why are African leaders crying over this support that President Donald Trump has yanked off? According to him, he said this is a time where the government, African leaders needs to rise to the occasion and do the needful for their country, and I cannot agree more to what he has said. He also said that at some point this support would have been yanked off either by President Donald Trump or by somebody else. Well, Donald Trump is doing us the, I don't know, should I call it the honors or the favors by yanking off the support at this point in time. Share with me your thoughts in the comment section on what you think about USAID leaving Nigeria, leaving other countries of the world. Or do you think this is a wake-up call for the Nigerian government as well as African leaders worldwide to do the needful for their country? Share with me your thoughts in the comment section. If you've watched this video up until this point and you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and hit on that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, share to as many people as you can, and let's pick up the conversation in the comment section. Bye guys.